Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to paint these beautiful poppies in a very loose style. This is one of my favorite flowers to paint because of how gorgeous the colors are, and I'll teach you in a step-by-step way how I make these. So I will keep the music on while you enjoy painting with me. So to start with, I have used my 100% cotton watercolor paper, that's 300 GSM, and straight out of tubes I have taken few colors which are cadmium yellow, cadmium orange, scarlet red, sap green and black. These are the only set of colors. Along with a mop brush I'll be achieving this look. So paint along and enjoy the music. So guys, within 10 minutes, our beautiful poppies are now ready. So I hope you enjoyed making this style with me. Do let me know under the comments if you find this tutorial helpful, and if you have any further request for anything special, do let me know under the comments. I would be glad to go ahead and make it for y'all. So I thank you very much for watching. Do consider subscribing. Along with that, do connect with me on Easy Paintings by Ishita on Instagram if you happen to make this, so do tag me. Until then, I hope to see you again in our next video. Bye bye.